the logo for this series. We're gonna do 3D print another one, but it doesn't work like the 3D printer, so we just have this one, and it's this year's logo. It's this thing. But since they want to add the H for history, that's gonna be next year's, which should be Steam, not Steam. So it's gonna be weird. These are dices. It was used by a teacher that's not here. But after every test, we would like roll it up and it would be like one bird shine stuff. I don't know what it was, but the other person presenting knows what it was for. This cat, someone here designed this, and we 3D printed one. And of course, I bought one of these, so I have one of these. But actually, pretty cool. Regular dice is still woven, and you can have like going overs, like a 3 and a 4, and you can tell by the numbers by the notches that they have.
Oh, okay.
And you can also 3D print them to like also glue stuff on them to make cool designs like this. We made this for last year when we were doing the robotics, which one of the robots over there was used for. But since this was last year for the FOC, we had a steampunk design. So that's why the gears are here, and that's why the skull's here with the hat. And so we 3D printed Lego stuff. So I thought it was fun to take off the head and steal it, so it's headless. And these are prototypes of hands made for someone with a missing arm. So we actually helped a kid with no arm have a 3D printed prosthetic arm. And these are the experimental ones. And this is what happened. This doesn't have it, but this is a complete one that says experimental. I don't know if you would have a big one like this, but this one was also 3D printed. And this is a complete prototype. It's working prototype, and this is how they put it on everything. And we have this small little one that follows any path, but we don't have one right now. But if you turn it on, it will follow the path that you make it, so it will move around. And it's that like it's got like a chip in it or something. It has a color sensor that sets the colors, and whatever color it goes to, you could program it to go through whatever way you could. So it's a fun way of playing with a small robot. And these are 3D printed designs. Someone thought it would be funny to split these in half and put them back together, so they kind of broke off. And they used the 3D ruler that she already packed up and put them back together, which is why this one has black lines going through, and these are glued together. And these ones are made by modified shapes, which they use a lot of tools and everything to modify the shapes used in Blender. The animation that he's using over there is also from Blender, so you do animations and 3D prints. And there are many ways to save them, like emailing yourself or emailing yourself from work to, if you don't have a flash drive to take it, you can email yourself the STL or the actual file, and you can export it and use it for Blender at home in a quick way. I tried that yesterday and it worked. So I found a quick way to send what I do here at school to do it at home. And these spiders, which I'm taking home.
I figured you were taking your Lucas's,
Yes.
dude. I don't want to touch your spiders. This will freak me out.
Can I see one?
So these spiders and ant lions, which the mandibles of the ant lions don't work. These spiders are based off an animation that does Lucas the
Yeah,
spider.
okay. I can carry the box.
So
Oh wait, actually, take this weird red thing with you. I don't know where to.
since I went in Thingiverse to
This
see
thing.
who else made them, no one made them. So I'm pretty much the first one to make like 3D printed Lucas the spider. But these ones are basically primary shapes, which believe it or not, the shapes haven't been modified, but by how wide, how tall, and how big they are to make these. So these ones are the actual shapes, but they've been modified by how how tall and how wide and everything. So the shapes haven't been having choice to make them, and they're all primary objects joined together. And funny enough, this being the second biggest, it doesn't look good, but the smallest one does.
Come on.
And you can still see the details.
Dang it, the man hand don't fit.
How long it takes you to do one?
Oh yeah.
Those ones I think are like 5 minutes, and then these ones are like an hour.
Yeah,
An hour or
so
something.
quick.
Are you kidding? Some of our like better and complicated projects were like 3 days.
Wow.
And that's
Yeah.
continuous. This thing doesn't exactly have a pause button. If you stop, it's gonna break the whole thing.
Yeah. I brought more, but they're not.
Kind of like the hand. I think this one was like
They're
3
not
hours.
complete.
Wow.
So I just
Big
kept
dude.
the ones that are even smaller. I mean, I brought
Alright, say
the.
goodbye to the nice people, Buford.
I brought like the smallest analog here, and it's like that
No,
small.
we just gotta let it run overnight. It doesn't usually read out. Today it was just being a little finicky, so we couldn't actually show it off. Typically it runs.
Yeah, these ones are. They are in. It is so good. You can do a lot with Blender and all that. So you can do, of course, again, animations and 3D prints, and it's really fun when you do the 3D prints because you can see how it's being made. Because it does because when you put it in a 3D printer, which I believe you need another software to 3D print it. So when you 3D print it, there's a software that makes the pattern for you, so you can 3D print it on its own, and it's
Sure. I mean, you think about it, we have that now. Think about 20 years from now, what, things are going to be, everything.
Just the fact that they have this hand. And I saw the kid that was wearing the hand.
yeah, she was.
And it is, I mean, it's amazing. The kid could grab a cup.
We did it for
With the
2
hand.
kids. She was here for the first one. I was witnessing the second one, and then she had to come and pick me up.
Yeah.
So I was like,
Really neat.
It's amazing. Well, thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. Man, that was very informative. Thank you. I've never seen it like that.
Very cool. Bye.
bye.